Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I just wanted to do a bit of a wrap up for my 3568 Autovon set that I've restored from scratch. If you watched a couple of my previous videos, I talked about remaking the MA4 4-wire transmit relay, and then the hardest part of redoing this dial because it had been murdered where they had actually resoldered the wires inside of it and disconnected others, and it was just a nightmare. So I actually got that, and somehow the dial worked first try, so I got really lucky that somehow the tones are still correct and that my calculating and puzzling of the wires actually ended up in a working dial, because I was almost certain I'd have to spend a couple more hours troubleshooting that. And then after I got the phone all put together, I did have to actually go back in and resolder another wire on the line switch assembly, aka basically this phone's hook switch, because it has a printed circuit board and more contacts than a regular hook switch, and the wires had been pretty badly treated. I had already resoldered 3 wires on it because they were missing, but this there was a yellow slate wire that was causing issues, and I wasn't getting audio on the phone. And then also I was getting buzzing, and that was actually because this key strip had been in a box for so long that it had gotten bumped, and one of the contacts was always connected, and so I was getting buzzing from my intercom. So now we actually have a fully operational phone. The exclusion key is wired correctly, and so is the 4-wire transmit relay, but right now I don't actually have it connected to any equipment. If people are interested in seeing that in the future, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll try and cover some more videos on that. I have built a CB radio circuit for my call director with 4-wire transmitting, and so I'm planning on probably hooking this phone up to the CB radio circuit for one of these buttons. Right now though, I'll just go ahead and demonstrate it operating with the just regular line keys here. So you can see all of them are working. They can be placed on hold. We're not getting lamp flutter right now because my interrupter is not powered on. So when they go on hold, they still stay lit. But if it was plugged in, the lamps would be flashing. Also, if I put the handset on the cradle, I can activate connected 4A speakerphone, which is up behind the phone right now. This is my intercom, so it's silent. And so we actually get dial tone and everything just fine through the speakerphone. We can also place calls with the handset or the speakerphone. So I always love the speakerphone that I can actually dial. This thing's not really sitting on the table, so it's rocking a bit. And again, the lamp flutter would be going if the interrupter was plugged in. So now we just answered the call, and now that line will go dead. So it's all fully working, and we can actually dial out with a speakerphone, which is nice. And the FO, F, I, and P keys are operational. I don't have any equipment that can actually recognize those currently, but in the future I'm hoping to get something else added to an intercom so that I can select these keys and actually be able to override stuff and potentially connect this phone to an outside line if the line is in use. So we'll see if I can get some stuff hooked up eventually. I just need to figure out how to actually recognize the tones since they're not very common. But anyway, hopefully you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this phone or any other phones on my channel, just let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos on my channel.